Hidden behind the modern skyline of Beijing lies another world, one that has existed for centuries. These narrow alleyways are known as Hutongs, the historic heart of old Beijing. Walking through them feels like stepping back in time, far away from the glass towers and roaring traffic of the modern capital. The word Hutong is believed to come from a Mongolian word meaning water well. These neighbourhoods first appeared during the time of the Yuan dynasty in the 13th century, when Beijing became the capital of a vast Mongol empire ruled by Kublai Khan. When the city was planned, it was laid out in a strict grid pattern. Large avenues connected the imperial city, while smaller lanes formed the Hutongs, intimate neighbourhoods built around traditional courtyard homes known as siheyuan. From above, the city once resembled a giant chessboard. But down here at street level, the Hutongs are anything but orderly. They twist and turn unpredictably, forming a maze of lanes just wide enough for bicycles, pedestrians, and the occasional electric scooter squeezing past. Many of the homes here are centuries old. Look closely at the grey brick walls, the carved wooden doors, and the red lanterns hanging above the entrances. Each doorway once marked the home of a family whose life revolved around the courtyard within. In these courtyard houses, generations lived together. Grandparents, parents, and children all shared the same enclosed space, protected from the outside world by thick walls and heavy gates. Life in the Hutongs has always been lived outdoors. Neighbors chat on doorsteps. Residents gather around small tables playing cards or mahjong. Street vendors pass through with food, fruit and snacks. And bicycles, the longtime kings of Beijing's streets, still glide quietly through these lanes. For centuries, these alleys formed the social fabric of the city. During the rule of the Ming dynasty, and later the Qing dynasty, the Hutongs spread across Beijing in their thousands. Some neighborhoods housed scholars and officials close to the imperial court, while others became lively districts of craftsmen, traders, and everyday workers. By the early 20th century, there were thought to be more than 6,000 Hutongs across the city. But modernization has changed Beijing dramatically. Many historic neighborhoods were demolished to make way for highways, apartment towers, and new development. The number of surviving Hutongs has shrunk dramatically over the past few decades. Yet the ones that remain offer something rare, a glimpse into the living history of the city. Places like Nanluoguxiang and the Hutongs around Huhai have become some of the best-known areas to explore. Here, ancient alleyways now mix with small cafes, craft shops, and hidden restaurants. But beyond the busy tourist lanes, the quieter Hutongs still preserve a rhythm of life that has changed little in generations. Laundry hangs between buildings, cats sleep in the sun beside bicycles, and behind those grey brick walls, families continue traditions that stretch back hundreds of years. The Hutongs are more than just old streets. They are a living memory of Beijing itself. In a city racing toward the future, these narrow alleys quietly remind us of where it all began. So the next time you visit Beijing, step away from the grand palaces and wide boulevards and wander into the Hutongs. Because sometimes, the true story of a city is hidden in its smallest streets.